Again, in this video, I will tell you how big players accumulate position. For a start, let's take a look on fundamental things in trading. It is when someone wants to buy, someone must to sell. And when someone sell position, open short, someone must to buy it. In trading, there always will be two parts on each deal. When big player want to accumulate position, they take volume from other people, from the market, from public. In next scheme, I will show you cycles of the market where big players can accumulate position. One, the most popular cycle, it is range. It's very common. I want to show you how big players work in a range. When big players want to accumulate some position, mostly they make some sideways move. With borders, there could be sometimes price can or even hit the borders. As we spoke before, we have sellers and buyers. Sellers, those who want to move price down, and they set their stop losses above that range. Buyers who want to move the price up set their stop losses under this range. And when big players accumulate huge position, take enough volume, mostly what they do, they just broke that range, and when it happened, they hit stop losses of part of people. For example, if they break range up, they took volume from sellers, they took their position. Because as we speak before, if someone have sell, to close sell, you need to take a buy. And there will be always these cycles where big players take volume from other people. Let's take a look on real charts how big players accumulate position. First, I showed to you range. Range, it is the best place where big player can accumulate position. Take a look on this example on gold. Here we have the price in the range. What does it mean for us? That some big player want to accumulate position because there was an uptrend and price moved up maybe more than 500 pips. And after that, big players need new volume, new fuel. That's why price stopped it here. But take a look on this picture more deeply. The price, all these candles were in this one. It is the best picture of the range. And also, as I spoke before, that many traders, most of them, set their stop losses under, above, or under this range. What does it mean for us? We can see how big players will protect this range. And here you see that big players protect this level, because if price would break this down, this range down, let's take a look on other stuff. If the price would break down this range, that means all guys who set their stop losses under this level would be stopped. Price would hit their stop losses, and that means that it would bring new volume into the market. But if big player have planned to move the price up, he do everything that it will never happen, because if they accumulated positions, they will try to continue it. That's why most of the time trend continue its move. Also, the same situation when price break up a range. Take a look. When price broke up this range, guys who set their stop losses above this range were stopped here. Here their stop losses stopped. Because of that, big players get enough volume to move the price up. Because their stop losses of sell position, it is buy. That's why there will always be such things like ranges, because it is the best place where a big player can accumulate position. Also, I want to show you another example. Let's take a look on this huge picture. Here we have the same range, huge range. More than 4 months price were in that one range. But take a look what happened after that. When price broke it down, and after that, price started this global downtrend. Price moved down more than 1,500 pips. Can you just imagine how big this number? Okay, friends, let's take a look on another example how big players can accumulate a position, get their volume. Let's open Euro USD. Take a look here. On this, you need to understand that a lot of people here had buy position and sell. And when price broke up this range and closed the ball, most of them were stopped. And take a look how the price moved up after that. Because big player took their volume, and for them it's the essential part to move some instrument in one direction. Always when you see such things like this range, remember that mostly price continues the range, and it is the best place to open entry near borders of that range, because near border you have low risk and great potential reward. Remember, as a trader, you always need to think as risk-reward, risk-reward. As low risk you can take, as better it for you. Also, price were in the range here. Take a look. Also, take a look on this candle. Before price broke it down, also price bounced from this range. And after that, Euro USD moved down from 1.21 to 1.12. It's really a great down move. I want to show you another example how big players accumulate position. It is when they hit some key points, hit stop losses of another people. Take a look on British pound. Here we have great example. Also, big players can accumulate position when they make fake breaks of some historical levels. Most of the people who set stop losses above this level or pending orders were trapped in bull trap. And when they stop it, when price hits their stop losses, it gives new volume to move the price down. Okay. Also, take a look here on another example. Take a look here. Price just broke it down and come back. It's one of the best examples how price can accumulate volume, because here a lot of pending orders. Okay, friends, take a look at some other examples I want to show you. Let's open Euro British Pound. They're a great example how big player can accumulate position. Take a look on this big historical level. Once more, I want to paint it to you. And take a look how price first time react on this level. When price came to this level, guys who set their stop losses under it were stopped. And it brings new volume to the market. For big players, it's great volume to move the price against it. That's why, guys, I want to show you a key places on the chart where most of the people would be stopped. Only after that you have safe place to open a position. Also the same, where here price moved up, a lot of people start selling here. And take a look, before the price moved up, price hit this level, made a fake broke, and after that continue up more. Because most of the people bring new volume here to the market, and big player moves the price only when they have enough volume. Friends, in this video, we discussed how big player accumulate position, cycles of the market, and where is the best to open a position. Let's go to another lesson where I will show you why you should use key levels in your trading.